Hi everybody, I'm Linda. I'm a certified naturopathic doctor and I'm proud to announce that I'm launching my 6-week Linda School of Natural Health, and this is for the average person who wants to take charge of their health, who wants the tools to know what to do for yourself and for your family, for your loved ones, for a lifetime. Or for someone who has maybe a little decline in health. Maybe you've been on medication and you're having side effects from the medication, or you find that you're having to get on stronger medication and you're not liking the course that you're taking. This is going to help you know what to do and how to heal naturally. Okay, so it's 6 weeks. We spend about 2.5 hours every week together, and it's a virtual class, so I'm taking applications. If that interests you, you can go to the link below, which is my website, and you'll learn more about it. And registration is going to be limited. It's going to be only available for a few more weeks, and then I'm going to stop registration and we're going to launch this. So if you're interested in something like that, go ahead and click the link below and learn more about it. And I hope to see you there. Have a great day.